Good morning, class. This is Dr. Pratibha K.S., Head Department of Biotechnology. Today, in this lecture talk, let us go through the syllabus of open elective, nutrition and health. This nutrition health, which comes under the program BSc Biotechnology. Okay. And here, weekly 3 hours classes will be taken. And here, the course outcome of nutrition health is to study the concepts of food and nutrition, diet and health, to apply the best practices of food intake and dietary requirements, to acquire knowledge on various sources of nutrients and good cooking practices. So these are outcomes of this open elective paper, nutrition and health. Now let us go through the content of units of nutrition and health. Unit 1, Introduction, Concepts of Nutrition and Health, Definition of Food, Diet and Nutrition. Food groups, food pyramids, functions of food, balanced diet, meal planning, eat right concept, functional foods, probiotics, prebiotics, and antioxidants. Okay, this unit 1 carries 14 hours of classes. Unit 2, nutrients like macro and micronutrients. Under this concept, you need to study the sources of nutrients, functions and dietary deficiencies, carbohydrates, proteins, fats sources, and calories. Minerals like calcium, iron, and iodine. Vitamins like fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Under this, fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, you need to study. Under water-soluble vitamins, you must study about vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and water. Further, functions and water balance. Okay. Then fiber, functions and sources of fibers, recommended dietary allowance, body mass index, that is BMI, and basal metabolic rate, that is BMR. BMR means BMR, that is basal metabolic rate, and this body mass index is in short BMI. Next, let us go through the unit. This unit 232 also, which has 14 hours of classes. Unit 3, nutrition health, methods of cooking affecting nutritional value, advantages and disadvantages of cooking, boiling, steaming, pressure cooking, oil or fat, shallow frying, deep frying, baking, nutrition and lifestyle, nutritional requirement, dietary guidelines, adulthood, pregnancy, lactation, infancy, complementary feeding, preschool, adolescence, then geriatric, nutritional related metabolic disorders, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. So this unit 3 also carries 14 hours. Unit 1, that is concepts of nutrition health, 14 hours, macro and micronutrients, 14 hours, then methods of cooking affect the nutritional value, which carries 14 hours. So under this nutrition health, you are studying unit 1, 2, and 3. Further, this particular theory concept you're writing in the examination for 60 marks, okay, and 40 marks is your internal marks. 60 marks theory and 40 marks is internal. So together 100 marks you are attempting. So 40 marks, how to give this 40 IA marks? Attendance carries 10 marks. Seminar and assignment carries 10 marks. Debate and quiz carries 10 marks. Test 10 marks. Okay. And here you can see some of the reference books or to refer this paper nutrition health. I hope you understood. In the previous slide, I went through about the syllabus, unit 1, 2, 3. You need to study this one for your examination point of view and also for your internal test. Then here you can see how 40 marks internal assessment will be divided. Okay, like this. Then now let us understand previous year, April 2023 by this nutrition health open elective paper. Here answer any 4 of the following. Here 6 questions they have given. You need to answer any 4. 2 options will be there. So this carries 4 into 2, 8 marks. What are functional foods? Give example. Define food and nutrition. What are fat-soluble vitamins? Name one metabolic disorder and its cure. What are dietary guidelines in preschool? Give any two advantages of boiling and steaming of food. Okay, so all these answer you to write it for 2 marks. Then section B, answer any four of the following. So any four means two options you are getting. What is probiotics? Explain it its importance and functions. Here, what is probiotics definition? 2 marks. And for writing importance and functions, it carries 3 marks. Here we can see here they have split. Okay, like this, you are going to get the two concept. What are various food groups? Add a note on its significance. Various food groups carries 3 marks and significance carries 2 marks. What is the source and dietary functions of proteins? Again here, for sources 2 marks and dietary functions 3 marks. Give a brief account on recommended dietary allowance and its functions. This carries 3 plus 2, 5 marks. Explain nutrition related metabolic disorder in cardiovascular disease and its true. So this carries again 5 marks. What is the nutritional requirement during the adolescence? Add a note on its significance. Okay. So all these questions you need to write it for 5 marks. So 4 you need to answer. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Two options you'll get. You can miss those. Then section C, answer any four of the following. Here you need to write any four. Two options will be there. What are antioxidants? Add a note on their source and significance. Here, what are antioxidants? 2 marks. Okay, their sources 3 marks. Significances 3 marks. Like this, they'll split. What is balanced diet? Okay, this carries 2 marks. Explain its various components carries 3 marks. Importance in nutrition carries 3 marks. Then describe sources, functions, and deficiency diseases caused by proteins. Here, for the describing the sources, you have 2 marks. Then functions, 3 marks. Then deficiency, 3 marks. So total you are writing here for each question for 8 marks. Then mention various functions of water and role of water balance in healthy body. Here, 4 marks is for functions of water and 4 marks for water balance in healthy body. Then 17th question, discuss methods of cooking which affect the nutritional value. Here methods carries 2 marks, for cooking 3 marks, and affects the nutritional value carries 3 marks. Describe nutritional requirements during pregnancy and lactation. Nutritional requirements, whatever you write, that carries 4 marks, and pregnancy, okay, then lactation carries 4 marks. So total here 8 marks. Section C, and it answer any 4, each answer carries 8 marks. So 4 into 8 is equal to 32. So this is your first main, you're writing here for the 2 marks, 4 questions. Section B, you're writing here 4 answers for the 4 questions. It carries 5 marks and 20. So 20 plus 8, here it is 28, and here 32, it is total 60 marks. So you're writing this paper for 60 marks. Maximum marks 60. Okay. So first main any 4, it carries 8 marks. Second main any 4 carries 20 marks. Third main any 4 carries 32 marks. So total 60 marks. So this is all about your university question paper pattern for your reference. Okay. Today in this session, first we went through about the syllabus, then about the IM marks, it is 40 marks. Then we went through the Bengaluru City University, this nutrition health open elective paper for 4th semester for tourism and BHM and other courses. Okay. I hope you understood today's concept, and I hope you'll do better in your further examination and further endeavor. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.